Sorry, turn the window out, love. Oh, that is cool. Well, good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel in a bitterly cold Blackpool. It is absolutely freezing. There's no end to this. I mean, it's probably one of the coldest winters I've ever known. This goes on and on and on. But anyway, so I'm on Derby Road at the moment. I've got the Grand Hotel behind me there. I'm going down to the demolition site, the Strand Lodge Hotel. I remembered it this time. I never can remember what it's called. Oh my god. Anyway, I haven't been down to the site for a few days, and I thought, well, go down and see what's going on. So anyway, we'll see you there soon. So going up Derby Road now. He's on the Dixon Road. So anyway, yes. It's been told. Well, I've been told it's been down. The whole thing should be down by Sunday, so which was yesterday, but I can't see that happening. Yeah, going on Dixon Road now. I'll go around the back. This is where the demolition's going to take place. That's what we see. See you soon, folks. It's still standing. Well, half of it is anyway. Yeah. They're just sorting out the bricks at the moment, piling the bricks up. One of the guys I don't know, I don't think he's here at the moment. Aaron. Look at the review wallpaper on there, folks. Oh wow. Yeah. A bit disappointing. I thought I was going to see some action today. Mainly just clearing, really. Obviously I don't want to get, I mean the fence is not in the way, so obviously I don't want to get in there too close. That's more wood. Inside the bedrooms now, look at that movie wallpaper. Oh my god. Oh, I've got half an hour or so to stay for, see if anything happens. I don't think a lot's going to happen today, unfortunately. Just being here at the right place, in the right place at the right time, really, isn't it? You know. Yeah, folks, I've had a troll on my channel saying stuff like, oh, how do you like a camera poked at your face and things like that. You know, I just give him what he give back what he gave me, but if I get any more trouble off him, you know who you are if you're watching, mate. You know, you'll just get reports, your comments deleted and blocked from my channel. Simple as that, mate. You know, carry on. In fact, do carry on, because it's you must have viewed my video to be able to put those comments down, so you know, carry on, mate. You know, it helps the algorithm. Any bad comments like that will carry on. You know, it helps my channel as a viewing figure, it counts as a viewing. So yeah, you carry on, pal. You don't have to get them, don't you? You know, the guys here are brilliant. You know, if any of you guys here watching this tonight, this video, you know, all hats off to you. You have been absolute diamonds. You know, Aaron and Joe, digger driver, other guys sworn I've met him before. Sorry mate, I don't know your name. Yeah, if any of you 151 Demolition guys are watching this, please comment, you know. Let me know you're watching. And you, Mr. Troll, carry on. If you carry on too much, I will block you though, mate. You know, if I get too much of it, I will block you. Trust me. More mattresses. Room with a view, folks. Of action, folks. Oh look, a side cabinet. Haha. Knock that upper floor down. That'd be cool. Take the upper floor out. That's right, come on. A bit of carpet there. Punch it. Put the rest of that floor down. Small bedroom, isn't it? Sitting hold his camera, freezing. Should put the gloves on really. Oh, he turned the window out, love. Oh, that is cool. A bit of action at last. That was so funny. You see the radiator there, folks, look at that. Zoom in for you, while I'm talking. Not full zoom at the moment, but just see the radiator there behind that little bit there. Takes that all out there, I might be able to see it. Yeah, see the radiator now, folks? It looks like someone's got some washing on it. Oh my god. That's so funny. Gonna rip that radiator in a minute. Which you do the other window. Nice one. In a radiator. More crunching, folks. I want to rip that radiator out. Here to take part, we're here to take over. No, sorry, we're here not to take part, we're here to take over. I like it. Here's another mattress. Anyway, folks. I'm going to leave the vlog there. Excuse the wind noise, the wind's getting up now. Yeah, I'm going to leave the vlog there, so I think I was just breaking for dinner now. Managed to get a little bit of action there, not a lot, but a little bit for you folks anyway. So it wasn't a complete waste of time. Anyway, I'll try and get there this afternoon or tomorrow. See how it goes. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that little bit of update on Demolition, folks. Get home now, have a nice cup of tea, something to eat. Absolutely freezing the horses off here. It's about 4 degrees, oh my god. Anyway, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, upload more videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Thank you, bye.